Because most people don't know the history or the origin story of Johor. So by seeing it, people will start questioning what is it about. As you sort of interact with it, you walk around the installation, the view changes as you look at it from different perspectives. So the concept for the design of this project came from the etymology of the word Johor. The word Johor came from the Arabic word Jauhar, which means gemstone. So what we did is we took the metaphor of gemstone and we sort of converted it into an art sculptural installation. One of the challenging part of this creative process is to convert a metaphor that is abstract into a three-dimensional, something tangible and real.
This project is about an art structure. It's located in Medini Bandar Iskandar, Johor Bahru. This project takes about 2 weeks from start to finish. During the installation day, it only needs 1 day of installation because everything are done by crane.